Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are good. I'm coming to you guys with a wig install video. This hair is from Elfinhair. They sent me some amazing quality things. The wig is amazing. It also came with a comb. Also came with an edge brush, comb, wig caps, eyelashes. Let me show you guys. Also, the wig had a band inside it as well. You guys know I love a wig with a band already attached, so it gives me that secure install, flat install, which is what I love. But I love this color. This is the 99J color. It's like a burgundy red color. I've done the claw clip hairstyle, so I'm going to show you guys how I did it at the end. This was really simple and easy to do. Hope you guys like the install. Let me know what video you want me to do next. But I'm so happy I've tried this hairstyle. I wanted to try it. I've seen it trending. I especially love it in this color. I'm definitely going to try more. So guys, I'm coming to you guys with a hair review from Elfinhair. You sent me this 99J coloured wig and it's red, full lace wig. Look at this. I've just actually added foundation. I've had the wig customized and plucked. In the box came a comb and an edge brush. It also has like a spatula part on the end. Then good for smudging the glue. It also came with wig caps as well and instructions on how to take care of the hair. They also gave me eyelashes as well. Aren't these so cute? It came with a lot of things. I really like when companies add combs and edge brushes, because in my house we lose them. Like, I've got two sisters and my mom as well. We actually lose combs so quickly, so I love to have spare. I'm about to install the hair. I'm going to show you guys me installing it bit by bit. Should be really easy, straightforward, as the hair's already customized. Let me just clip the sides down. But I love the color. Look at it already against my skin tone. This hair is actually 34 inches, super long. I just love the color. I'm already loving it. So I'm just about to cut my lace. I'm going to use this to cut it. I have to check if this is sharp because I just got a new one. But I'll put that away. So I'm going to just take the lace and just start cutting it, making sure the edges are wonky, because that gives a more natural hairline than if it was completely straight. So you're basically giving it like a zigzag motion. And I'm also going to cut out the ears. Now I'm gonna put the band on so it can melt into my face. That would give like a more seamless look. So I'm just using the hot comb to flatten the parting, because as you saw earlier, the parting wasn't straight, it was a bit wonky. So I've now just got the parting right. I'm then gonna do my edges and then styling. So now I'm gonna clip the hair back. Actually, I need to separate some hair first. Not sure how much I want. I'm just separating how much edges I want. Make sure that this one is more than the other one, but I do like thick edges, so guys, I'm in a quiet mood today, which is why I'm not talking too much. Just had so much going on, like my sister's boyfriend passing, like it's just been a lot. Oh, jump scare. But this new glue, yeah, comes out so much. Like, I didn't need you to do all of that. I'm just gonna put foundation on the part. Foundation, you know, concealer on the part. And just get my TikTok ready. Already put it on my hand. Still a bit light. Okay, as you can see, it looks so nice like this. I normally just like do it like this, bring it forward. Like, this is how I normally do my wigs, but I'm thinking to do a hairstyle or curly. So what I'm thinking to do is the claw clip. So basically I just take two parts like this. I'm just going to show you like then clip it back, then I do a part. Should I do it? Should I do curly? I'm just so indecisive. Okay, let me just do claw clip. Even looks cute already, like and then you take the hair down. Hairband. So what I did is I twisted, instead of the bun being at the front, I twisted it to the back and put the hair in front. I'm now gonna back comb the hair to give it more volume. we have it, the claw clip hairstyle. It's really cute. I'm really happy I did this hairstyle. I'm gonna try more hairstyles, but this looks so cute. This hair is from Elfinhair. They have so much wigs on their website. This color looks amazing. I'm so happy I've gone for red. Like, I'd normally go for black or something a bit more like highlights, but I used to do red when I was younger. It's a 34-inch frontal. All the links will be in the description below. Make sure you check it out. This is the 99J wig. Beautiful color. But yeah, I hope you guys like this tutorial and install video. This hair is amazing. I highly recommend it. Love you guys. Bye.